Hello dear students and teachers, welcome back to the video series on MCQ preparatory exam. Hopefully the videos are helping you out. This is fifth paper. With this paper, you'll be learning total 200 questions that will cover maximum concepts. While you study a question from this video series, you should relate the concept in the textbook and read textbook. First question, the rate of flow of electric charge is known as electric current. Second question, the number of electrons constituting 1 coulomb of charge is 6 into 10 power 8 electrons. The relation between potential difference and current was discovered by Ohm. What will happen if a soft iron bar is placed inside the solenoid? The bar will be magnetized as long as current will be flowing in the circuit. Alloys are used commonly in electrical heating devices like toasters, electric iron because alloys do not oxidize or burn readily. Hence, they are used in electrical heating devices. 46th question. 100 joules of heat is produced each second in a 4 ohm resistor. The potential difference across the resistor will be by using Joule's law of heating, that is H equals I square RT. First find out the current I, then we can easily find out the potential difference across the resistor. We know Joule's law mathematically. H equals I square RT, that is H equals I square RT. Now I square equals H by RT. I equals square root of H by RT. Now heat produced is 100 joules and time is 1 second and the value of R is 4 ohm. Now I equals square root of 100 divided by 4 times 1 is 4. Now square root of 100 divided by 4 is 25. Therefore I equals square root of 25. Now I equals 5 ampere. Now V equals I into R, that is I is 5, R is 4. Therefore 5 times 4 is 20. Therefore the correct answer is option C, 20 volts. 47th, a conventional source of energy in the following is option A, coal, which we are using from long time, which is non-renewable. Which is the ultimate source of energy? Sun is the ultimate source of energy. The main advantage of AC power transmission over DC power transmission is AC transmit without much loss of energy when compared to DC power. Question number 50. In a right hand thumb rule, thumb points towards the direction of current. Then what does the fingers wrap around the conductor indicates? The fingers wrap around the conductor indicates the direction of magnetic field lines. Therefore the correct answer is option A. Now next question. The SI unit of power of lens is diopter. The SI unit of power of lens is diopter. Now moving to next question. The path of a ray of light coming from air passing to rectangular glass slab are shown as A, B, C, D in the below figure. Which one of them is correct? Students, as a light ray travels from one medium to another, it bends. This phenomenon is called as refraction. As you can see, as they pass from one medium to another, there is a change in the direction of light, that is in the option B. Therefore the correct answer is option B. The formula related to Snell's law of refraction is sin I divided by sin R, that is the ratio of sine of angle of incidence divided by sine of angle of refraction is a constant. Therefore, the correct answer is option A. Question number 54. The diameter of the circular outline of a spherical lens is called its aperture. Therefore, the correct answer is option A, aperture. An ant sting can be treated with option C, baking soda. Ant sting is acidic in nature. It should be neutralized by using a base, that is baking soda. Compounds having same molecular formula but different structures are called isomers. This phenomenon is called as isomerism. The metal which is liquid at room temperature among the following is, the metal which is liquid at room temperature is mercury. A solution turns red litmus to blue, then its pH is likely to be more than 7, that is base. Therefore, the correct answer is option D, 10. Suitable method to avoid rusting of iron tawa among the following is, rusting can be avoided by greasing, painting, galvanizing. Therefore, the correct answer is option D, all of this. An atom of an element has the electronic configuration 2, 8, 2 in the periodic table. It belongs to the group. The group number is related to valency. Here valency is 2. Therefore, the correct answer is option A, second group. Name the gas released when sodium hydrogen carbonate reacts with hydrochloric acid. The correct answer is option B, carbon dioxide gas is released when sodium hydrogen carbonate reacts with acid, that is hydrochloric acid. Moving to next question. Which of the following is the functional group of aldehyde? The correct answer is CHO, that is option B. The process of converting unsaturated vegetable oils into saturated fats is called as hydrogenation of oil. In the modern periodic table, as we move along a period, the atomic size of the element decreases. Comparatively poor heat conducting metals among the following are lead and mercury. Question number 66. Which of the following statement is wrong? Carbon compounds are bad conductor of electricity. This statement is correct. Carbon compounds are covalent compound. This statement is correct. Boiling point and melting points of covalent compounds is low. This is correct. Option D, valency of carbon is 6. This statement is wrong because valency of carbon is 4, that is tetravalent. The parts of central nervous system are option B, brain and spinal cord. The best method is to recycle biodegradable material is by burying. Therefore, the correct answer is option A, burying. Which is the correct direction of flow of impulse, that is electrical impulse, in the following diagram? The nerve impulse starts from dendrite of one neuron, then to cell body, then to axon, then to nerve ending. Then it sets off chemical reaction to pass on the electrical impulse to another neuron. Therefore, the correct answer is option C, that is dendrite to cell body to axon to nerve ending, again dendrite, cell body, axon and nerve ending. This will pass until it reaches the. An example of homologous organs are, they have different functions but origin and structure is the same. Therefore, the correct answer is all the above. Transfer of pollen grains from stamen to stigma is called as pollination. Fusion of male and female gametes is called as fertilization. Question number 72. A pathogen that causes AIDS and warts transmitted through sexual contacts is virus. Correct answer is option C, virus. AIDS are caused by HIV virus. In human beings, fertilization takes place in fallopian tube. Important question. In human beings, fertilization takes place in fallopian tube. The construction of Cardan system in level terrain, the groundwater level increases. Therefore, the correct answer is option D, groundwater level increases. Choose the plant used by Mendel to conduct his genetical experiment. He chose pea plants for his experiments. The following are the groups that undergo biodegradation will be option 3 and option 4, that is paper, animal waste wood, cotton, leaves and paper. Therefore, the correct answer is option D, 3 and 4. The emergency hormone in human body is adrenaline. The emergency hormone is adrenaline. Next question. In plants, which of these exhibit translocation? That is, translocation means transport of food in plants that is done by phloem. Therefore, the correct answer is option C, phloem. Next question number 79. A colorless fluid having less protein content that is similar to plasma in blood is called as tissue fluid. Therefore, the correct answer is tissue fluid. Analogy question. If gametes has n chromosomes, then zygote will have 2 times n chromosomes. That is, if gametes has 22 chromosomes, then zygote will have 46 chromosomes. Therefore, the correct answer is option B, 2n. The gametes from male and female fuse to form zygote, that is, from the male 23 chromosomes, from the female 23 chromosome, together it forms a zygote to form 46 chromosomes. Therefore, the correct answer is option B, 2 times n. Students, hopefully these videos are helping you out. My suggestion, along with this question, do relate the concept from the textbook and read textbook. If you read textbook, definitely you can score more than 35 marks, if possible 40 out of 40 marks in your examination. Best wishes. Do read well, watch out the complete video series. If you find my videos are useful, do subscribe the channel and do share with your friends and also with your juniors. Once again, thank you for watching the video.